What's going on, everybody? I'm out here at this pond today, actually just filming the intro. Y'all read the title. We went river fishing and got on some fish, new PB actually, which is super cool. And we took the boat out, finally got enough footage for a boat video. Hopefully, I really hope y'all enjoy this video. Took a ton of time editing and preparing and filming this video. But one thing I am going to do different and I'm going to start doing is I'm going to give out a weekly shout out. The weekly shout out this week is this guy. He has been supporting me a ton on TikTok lately and supporting me a good amount on YouTube. So make sure to go drop him a sub, and make sure to comment and support me and just do stuff like that to maybe get a chance at being next week's shout out of the week or whatever I called it. But hopefully y'all enjoy this video. Make sure to like, subscribe. Yeah, we're getting close to 4,000, which is super cool. So yeah, make sure to like, subscribe. Catch y'all guys in the video. Hopefully y'all enjoy. Wow! The GoPro looks like it made it. The one on the back of the truck. Hopefully y'all saw that. I really hope y'all did. All right, so as y'all can see, it still looks like this on the water. And I did not plan for that at all. So I'm definitely tying on top water. Oh yeah, baby, this thing's gonna get it done right here. Actually, whichever one lands in the tackle box. All right, I'm using this one. Top water is going to be 100% an option. Look at that.
That's sweet. It's still on.
Woohoo! Alright guys, I made this worm and there's a nail weight in it. It looks a little goofy, but we're going to give it a try. Sunshine lollipops. On or what? Crazy ordeal. I don't know why I make casts like that, because I don't know how in the world I'd land a fish if I hooked one right there. Unless it was like a pretty small one, I could just reel it over. But if it was a big one, it'd take me anywhere it wanted to. Alright, maybe there is a fish back there and he does not want to bite the frog. Maybe he wants to bite the wacky rig.
Drive now?
Yeah. Oh, dude, you're kidding me.
That's hilarious.
Heck yeah.
Heck yeah.
Alright guys, first one of the day. Frog's about bigger than him, but hey, we will take him. This is my second fish on the boat. We got a little something on his back. Fungus or something. Poor buddy. Whoa. Oh, heck yeah, dude. Pull back in there. It's got to be deep. Oh, dude, there's straight water coming out. He's about to catch him over there. I see a bass right here. Super small though. Small, way smaller than the one I caught earlier. It was right under that tree. 100% fish back here. Dude, I'd be expecting to catch one on every cast. Dude, he dropped down deep. Holy cow, Dad. I'm just now touching the bottom. Look. Yep. This is what they call a fishing side quest. Love you. Yep. I will. That's cool. There's a humongous dam, probably over 100 foot tall.
Is there water over there?
Yeah, muddy.
Way down?
No, I can get down there easily. It's about a puddle about that big. It looks shallower. I'm going down. Come on.
What bait you got?
I only got a whopper plopper. Oh, if I don't fall down. All right, guys. Over here. Let's see what I can do. There I went. Oh gosh. Dead fish. I think it's a carp. $120 likes and I'll come back and I'll catch whatever those are. Mark my words. Dude, if I fall, I'm going in the water. Well, oh my gosh. I'm about to fall. No fish, but it's pretty cool. 100 likes and I'll come back and try my best to catch whatever that fish was, or whatever those fish were. Good chance they could have been some carp, maybe a little bit of bluegill, catfish maybe, but I do not think that they were bass. Better get over that stump. Got one. Sure do. Oh, get the net. Talking about get the net. Dude, that's a giant. Holy cow, that's a giant, dude. Dude, that's a 10-pounder. We just caught a 10-pounder, Dad.
Sure did.
A 10-pounder.
PB special here.
Look at the shoulders on that son.
It is thick.
Oh my gosh. Dude. Guys, you don't see this every day. ABC News hit us up. Look at that. That's funny. Dude, when I can't sidearm, I'm horrible. Yes, yes. Dude, that's a 10. That's a 10. That's a 10! Freaking 10-pounder! Out here in the Amazon River. What's it called?
Red River?
Oh, Red River, not the Amazon River. All right, but we're getting them back. One cast. One cast. All right, I'm gonna guess I get 2 casts with this. Thought that was a fish.
My bait?
Mm-hmm. Felt something. Got one. Net, Dad. Felt something. Got one. Net, Dad. Dad, get the net.
Serious?
Get the net. Get the net.
Rooke, chill.
Came on.
The net. I don't have nothing to do with the net.
But it's first cast.
Get it back out there.
First cast. You gotta hurry up with the net. Net means
I had the net. I thought you were BSing me. If you wouldn't lie to me all the time, I'd move faster.
When I say get the net, you grab the net. You said it took you 13 minutes. All right. All right, guys. That fish would have been in my hands, but that was definitely a solid 3-pounder. But get the net. Oh, that's not a fish. The other one was a fish. You saw my deal popping on the other one, right? The last one was a fish.
It was a fish, but I'm not 100%.
No, it was. I'm 100%. It was popping like it was. You gotta get the dang net, dude.
Rooke, the net wasn't a problem.
But it would have been.
The net.
The net would have been a problem if I had them up.
Oh, I had it in my hand, stupid.
You know what they say? If the net's in the water, it's a better luck.
No.
Yeah.
You know what they say? Sticks don't need nets.
Ha ha ha. It wasn't a daggum stick. First cast, too. I tell you what, guys. This rig works. Net. Yeah, get the net now.
I don't think so.
Dude, what kind of fish is this? That's a gar.
Nice.
That's my first ever gar.
Get the wrap.
All right, guys, y'all didn't get the chest cam footage, but I caught this. Thankfully, this one was running now. Oh, dude, that's sweet. He bit it too. He's got the hook right in him. Dude. Oh my gosh. Pretty cool. These things are super pretty. Can you video me putting it back? Alright, guys. Don't know what kind of gar this is, but my first ever one, I'm pretty sure. It actually bit a little trick worm, wacky worm. That's pretty. I tell you what, that's one heck of a net, man. Got one. Turn that one camera. Pretty small one. Dang. Swallowed it. Alright, guys. Oh crap, I didn't even mean to release them. Well, I dropped them, but we're heading out. But I think I finally got enough footage to make a boat video, so great. Success! Alright, what's going on, everybody? Thank y'all so much for watching all the way to the end. Make sure to hit the notification bell. Next week's video is going to be super good. I filmed it this morning and it was insane. And there was some pretty super, actually really funny things I did in today's video. Or the video I filmed today that y'all are going to want to watch. It was hilarious. So make sure to hit the notification bell. But yeah, I thank y'all so much for watching all the way to the end. Click one of the videos or playlist up on the screen. And yeah, I really appreciate y'all watching all the way to the end. Make sure to like, subscribe, comment, and share if you want to. But also follow my TikTok. I'm trying to get 1,000 followers on there. I'm like 200 away or something. But have a great week and God bless. Ka-chow.